let's just talk about this downgrade that has come through. It feels to me that it's somewhat of a mechanical downgrade. The IMF have downgraded their view of oil prices in addition to the production that's coming out of Saudi Arabia, and therefore it follows that they also had to downgrade the GDP forecast as well.
Good morning, Joumanna. And you would be right to assume so, right? So this GDP estimate, 1.7 from 2.6 in April and then 4% by the end of 2023, comes entirely from oil production cuts. It is mechanical. We did speak to the IMF right after this report came out yesterday, and they did tell us that, listen, this is an oil production mechanism. The kingdom has slashed their oil production to about 9 million barrels by the end of last year, and this is a cut that is expected to continue into this year. So the IMF is expecting this downgrade in the overall GDP, which perhaps can have an impact on the kingdom's revenues, as we have seen it had by half of the second half of last year. But one thing that the IMF told me yesterday was something that we've been watching and something that continues to be resilient and robust is non-oil growth. So while it eased during the first quarter of this year, non-oil growth continues to be an acceleration, and it continues to be, the sector that the Crown Prince and the Saudi government is focusing on.